The PRICUSIS 2.7 Qt Nonstick Saucepan is a great addition to any kitchen because it makes cooking simpler. This saucepan has a non-stick ceramic coating, and this means food will slide right off. You will not have to worry about tough, stuck-on messes after you cook, and cleanup will be a breeze with some soap and water. The PRICUSIS 2.7 Qt Nonstick Saucepan helps you spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meals. This saucepan is also made with your health in mind, for it is free from harmful chemicals like PTFE, PFOA, and PFAS. You can cook your favorite sauces, soups, and more without worry. The PRICUSIS 2.7 Qt Nonstick Saucepan even has handy pour spouts on the sides. These spouts make it easy to transfer liquids without making a mess. Plus, the saucepan is compatible with induction stovetops, so it works in many kitchens. Overall, the PRICUSIS 2.7 Qt Nonstick Saucepan offers a fantastic cooking solution. It combines easy non-stick performance with a commitment to your well-being. The pour spouts are a thoughtful touch, and the induction compatibility adds to its versatility. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-use saucepan for your daily cooking prep, this is a wonderful choice, and it will not break the bank. Pros: pour spouts, multi-purpose use, PTFE free, PFOA free, PFAS free, induction ready, ceramic coating, healthy cooking. Cons: may lose non-stick over time, can be less durable than others, risk of damage at high heat. Some users report uneven heating, coating can scratch easily, not always truly metal utensil safe. Lifespan can be shorter, quality varies by brand, potential for handle issues, induction compatibility can vary. Features: non-stick, saucepan with lid 2.7 quart, ceramic saucepan, non-toxic, pour spouts. Multi-purpose use, PTFE free, PFOA free, PFAS free. This PRICUSIS saucepan has a non-stick ceramic coating, so food will slide off easily and it's simple to clean. It holds 2.7 quarts and comes with a lid. The pan is made without harmful chemicals like PTFE, PFOA, and PFAS, making it a non-toxic choice for cooking. It has pour spouts on the sides to help you pour liquids without making a mess. You can use this saucepan for many different cooking tasks, and it can even be used on induction stovetops. This 2.7 quart PRICUSIS saucepan has a non-stick ceramic coating and pour spouts for easy use. It's made without harmful chemicals like PTFE, PFOA, and PFAS, making it good for healthy cooking. It can be used on all stovetops, even induction ones. However, the non-stick might wear out over time. It might not last as long as other pans, and high heat could damage it. Some people have noticed that it doesn't always heat evenly. The coating can scratch, and it might not be safe for all metal tools. Also, how long it lasts and how well it works can be different depending on the brand. And there could be problems with the handle or how well it works on induction stoves.